Hi, my name is Dr. Veera Gupta of Optimum Health Chiropractic, and I'm a sports chiropractor. A question I get asked a lot is, what does Kinesio Tape do? Well, first let's look at the history of Kinesio Tape. It was invented by a Japanese chiropractor named Kenzo Kase. And what would happen is people would come to his office and be like, oh, Dr. Kase, I wish I could leave with your hand still on me. So that made him think, what should I do? So he invented Kinesio Tape. On Kinesio Tape, on the back of the tape, there is a wave pattern that you'll see. This particular wave pattern mimics patterns in the skin. Now, the original Kinesio Tape was by the company Kinesio Tape, and it had a specific wave pattern on it, so that when we put the tape on you, it gives a specific neurological impulse to your brain. It's kind of like going, if I tape your wrist, for example, right? It goes, hey, pay attention to your wrist, pay attention to your wrist, so that the biomechanics of the wrist are correct. It does give you an advantage. Now, Kinesio Tape is used primarily for one of three things. One, I can use it to give you feedback for where you should be. So for example, if I tape your knee so that you don't hyperextend it, the tape will literally kind of pull you back just a little bit so your body knows not to go too far. So one, it can give you biofeedback, okay, neurological feedback. The second thing Kinesio Tape can do is if I cut it in thin strips, I can use it to suck swelling out of your leg. I can use it to do that in pretty much any joint. And in fact, it's done many times for people who have lymphedema. Or if you have any kind of big bruise, it'll literally help that swelling come out of your body. So that's the second way I can use the tape. The third way I can use the tape is if I want to give a joint some extra stability. So for example, let's say that I have a kneecap that really likes to kind of go sideways. While I can't tape the kneecap in place like I could with a McConnell tape, I can give it some feedback and kind of teach the body where to use it. So again, one, you can use it for edema. Two, you can use it for neurological feedback. Three, you can use it for some stability. But the way it works on a neurological level is it basically just tells your body to pay attention to that. Now, in terms of companies that make Kinesio Tape, this is my favorite tape. This is Rock Tape. I'm not paid by them, I'm not a sponsor by them, but this stuff never comes off till you need it to come off. It's really well quality controlled, and so I've used all the different kinds of tape. KT tape is okay, but this is my favorite one. I hope this helps.